Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 2500-watt dual-fuel ultralight portable inverter generator is a game-changer for those seeking a reliable power source in various situations. Weighing in at just 39 pounds, this generator is impressively lightweight and incredibly portable, making it an ideal companion for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency backup at home. One of the standout features of this inverter generator is its dual-fuel capability, allowing it to run on either gasoline or propane. This flexibility not only provides convenience but also enhances fuel efficiency. With up to 11.5 hours of runtime on gasoline and 34 hours on propane at 25% load, the Champion generator ensures you won't be left in the dark when you need power the most. The easy-to-read fuel gauge is a nice touch, allowing users to monitor fuel levels effortlessly. The inverter technology ensures that this generator operates quietly, producing only 58 dBA from 23 feet, which is comparable to the noise level of a normal conversation. This makes it perfect for use in quiet environments, such as during a camping trip or at a busy campsite where noise restrictions are in place. Performance-wise, the 2500-watt output is sufficient to power essentials like lights, small appliances, and even sensitive electronics thanks to its stable sine wave output. The included 120V outlet and USB adapter provide versatility for charging devices and powering equipment without concern for damaging sensitive electronics. The build quality is commendable, featuring a solid frame and a design that facilitates easy transportation. The easy pull start and the addition of the eco mode for fuel efficiency are convenient features that add to its practicality. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 2500-watt dual-fuel ultralight portable inverter generator stands out for its portability, dual-fuel functionality, and quiet operation. Whether for outdoor adventures or as a reliable backup power source, it delivers excellent performance and versatility, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone needing portable power.